Punch hole displays are the upcoming trend in the smartphone industry, and many smartphone makers will be seen adopting this design to give their smartphones a bezel-free front. But a new leak tells us that OnePlus is going to take a different route. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's take a look at the new leak that gives us a glimpse of OnePlus 7's design. OnePlus 7, or the name could be different, is the next OnePlus smartphone that is expected to launch in March end or April. Almost all rumors pointed out that, like many smartphones launching in 2019, the OnePlus 7 will have a punch hole display. The Galaxy S10 being the most popular, the Nokia 8.1 Plus or the Motorola P40. There are many smartphones that are expected to launch with this kind of design. And so was the case with OnePlus 7. But the new leaked photo tells us that there is no front camera on the front side of OnePlus 7. This photo, in which alleged OnePlus 7 is kept beside the OnePlus 60, shows that the phone does not have any front camera on the front side and there are no bezels whatsoever around the screen. So there could be two scenarios. OnePlus could be adopting Vivo Next-like technology and would be giving a pop-up camera to the phone, or it could be using a slider mechanism very much like the Honor Magic 2, or it could be using a platform that ejects out of the phone very much like the Oppo Find X. Now, which of the technology it will be adopting is not clear from the photo yet, but this is going to be a major shift from what most of the smartphone makers are following. I mean, Honor has already launched a smartphone with punch hole displays, the Honor View 20 that we recently unboxed, and you may want to check the unboxing. The phone comes with a punch hole display, and the major reason for that is it's not only simple to implement but also makes the smartphone more robust. There will be less moving parts, so there is little possibility of the phone getting damaged easily, and the life of the phone will also be much longer. Also, it limits the cost of the phone, so if OnePlus wants to remain in the mid-budget segment, it should have been adopted that kind of technology, unless it has found a more economical and simple way to implement slider display designs or motorized camera platforms. And OnePlus definitely cannot afford to increase the price of its smartphone. I mean, Xiaomi recently announced its new brand called Redmi, and Redmi is already making a smartphone with Snapdragon 855 chip. I mean, many smartphones are trying to bring down flagship chipsets to budget segment or near budget segments. So the fight for flagship killer throne has already been intensified. As far as the specs are concerned, the OnePlus 7 is also expected to come with Snapdragon 855. There's said to be a triple camera setup at the back and better front camera as well this time around. Also, from the photo, it appears that OnePlus 7 will have a bigger display and it will be a slightly bigger phone altogether. Although we're not sure about the design and nothing has been confirmed by OnePlus yet, but if this is the case, OnePlus 7 is going to be pretty exciting or pretty expensive. Although if you ask a OnePlus user, there are many things on their list apart from bezel-less design, like an expandable storage slot and water resistance. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.